If you're using Yahoo Mail, it likes to group messages together based on the subject matter. So here's 4 emails that Yahoo thinks should be viewed together, but you may not like this, right? Like maybe you just want one of these and not all of these. But if you delete them, they all go away. So a way to have Yahoo Mail not do this is, so right now there's 4 messages grouped together. All you have to do is go up to your gear icon, drop that down, go to more settings, and let's change how you view your email. So that's the viewing email menu selection, group by conversations. Let's click that and turn that off. So you click it, it'll slide to the left, go back to your inbox, and that turns it off. So your messages won't be grouped together anymore. So you can treat these separately and you can see how many you have in your inbox. So I hope that was helpful. If you like that little tip and you want to see more like it, please subscribe to my channel in the lower right hand corner. Thanks.